Download and open the A/B test data in Excel. Again, let's make a copy of our data in a new tab. Add filters. And filter down to just the 5-year full warranty samples. Copy the columns over with the order value. Retitle the data column and delete that first column. Then let's repeat, this time grabbing our 7-year warranty data. Again, let's retitle the column. Now, in the Data tab, open the Data Analysis tool. We then want to find the t-test two-sample assuming equal variance. We'll use equal variance because our sample sizes both have the same number of observations. Also, we don't have any other reasons to assume the variances would be different for these samples. If one of our two datasets was larger, or we knew one sample naturally had a different variance, we'd want to use the t-test that assumes unequal variance. As for the paired t-test, we use that when measuring two variables on the same subject. For example, if we're running a blind taste test with Pepsi versus Coke, then we might give each participant both drinks in unmarked cups. When each subject receives both variables, like with our Coke and Pepsi example, we use a paired test. For our vacuum warranty example, if we just showed potential customers both warranties and let them pick the one they preferred, that could be a good paired test experiment. But since we didn't structure our test that way, we'll go with t-test two-sample assuming equal variance. Click OK. For variable 1 range, click the white box and then select our first column with the 5-year warranty. For variable 2 range, do the same with our other column of data. For hypothesized mean difference, enter 0. That states our null hypothesis, as we don't think there is any difference. We do have labels. And our alpha will leave at 0.05. And finally, for our output, let's go with output range. Click the box and select an empty cell. Now hit OK. Let's clean this up a little bit. Okay, this provides us with our mean, the variance for each sample, and the pooled variance, which is an average of our two variances. You will only see pooled variance if you ran the t-test assuming equal variance. And finally, what we really wanted is our p-values. Since we are running a two-tail test, the p-value we want is this lower one which says two-tail. We'll discuss what this value means in our next video.